Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. We begin the morning with positive cues. The SGX Nifty is indicating a start about 60 points in the green, adjusting for the close that we had on Friday. Most markets, global markets, have been in the green, but the only worry is that there are rising COVID cases. There's also the Russia-Ukraine crisis, which has intensified. Over 900 civilians were killed a couple of days ago in the Russia-Ukraine border, and that really tells you the tale of how, things over there, although we don't keep reporting it on a day-to-day basis, there is no de-escalation just yet of the war at the moment. So that seems to be another risk on the horizon. And of course, there's inflation as well. Our research team is here to tell us about the top 10 stocks that you need to watch out for as we head into trade this morning. So let's welcome them on board. Folks, hi, good morning. Anuj, what are you looking at today?
One large cap and one mid cap, Sonia. The large cap stock is Sun Pharma. It's a stock which has come on my radar many times, keeps making new 52-week high. Now, if you see this chart, it's, of course, Sun Pharma, the all-time high was 1,080 somewhere around that. And after that, it had a big bear market. And now it's the strongest pharma stock. So that's clearly a stock that you want to keep on your radar. Bandhan Bank is the other one. And Bandhan has done this many times. Every time it goes to 250, 260, there's some remarkable buying which takes place. Of course, it's run up a lot. But there was quite a bit of short covering on Thursday. So that could be another interesting stock to track. But remember, it's run up from its lows. Let's do one thing now. Let's go close to REMA, the Accenture numbers and guidance raised. But perhaps the market was prepared for that. But REMA, give us the exact numbers.
Thanks so much for that. So Accenture has reported another very strong quarter, a revenue growth of 28% on a year-on-year basis. This is the second consecutive quarter when the company has upped its full-year revenue forecast. So they're now looking at a revenue growth of 22 to 24% for FY22 versus their earlier guidance of 19 to 20%. And this is an organic growth increase. And the guidance also incorporates the current tensions on the geopolitical front between Russia and Ukraine, but it does not assume a further escalation in that. The only negative in the numbers is the fact that the margin guidance has been trimmed from earlier. It was guiding for a 20 to 30 basis points margin expansion. Now they're looking at a 10 basis points margin expansion. They spoke about price increases, but this will benefit the margins with a lag. But on the whole, the numbers from Accenture, a beat and raise for the second consecutive quarter, indicates the demand environment for IT continues to be very robust. Back to you.
Rima, thanks very much for that. That's going to be the top sector.